So it's been months and months. This is the Kia. Pits itself down here. Right. Now I'm gonna try and repair this. Nothing there. Okay. Hello guys, so the stuff that I will use to fix the Kia have arrived. I've got JB Weld, I've got some hose clamps, and most importantly I've got these. Okay, so I am not going to buy the new radiator while I can fix it. So this is what's going to happen. You see these? So one of these will be fitting in that stupid hose. I think probably this one. So what I'm gonna do, as you can see, this thing has got two sides. It's like a hose connector. Okay, same both sides, and it goes inside the lumen of the hose. So what I'm going to do is insert one side to that hose, and then the other side to the radiator, and then I am going to apply JB Weld. I'm going to apply JB Weld around here, and before I insert it into the radiator, I will apply JB Weld and then insert it, and then this side doesn't have to have JB Weld. This is the side where the expansion hose is going to be inserted, and then after that I will just clamp with I don't know if they're going to be, it looks like a very small hose pipe, but I hope they're going to fit. I hope. But if it doesn't, I've got that Jubilee clip there that's already there. I will use that anyways. This was just in case I need extra support. I decided to buy these, but that's it. So now next join me and see how I'm doing this. Thank you. All right, so the things to fix it, and I've got JB Weld there. There's something else. I've also got some hose clamps. So we'll see how I get on. Okay. This is gonna come off. Okay. It is the death of a monkey. All trees become slippery. Oh God. Right. I managed to drill this and put it inside, and guess what? It broke half of this and it's stuck in there. So I have to abandon all plan now. It's not possible anymore to repair this. There's no way I'll be able to get that from inside there out. The piece of this just broke off inside and there. Oh God. Well, I'm gonna have to buy a new radiator. Well,